Hi everybody, this is Avanti Puridi. I'm a founder of AP Associates Advocates and Legal Consultants. We are in providing you with the understanding of your rights, obligations and liabilities. The first topic that we are going to discuss today is registering private limited company or LLPs. We'll first, in order to understand the topic, understand what is the difference between a sole proprietorship concern and a company. In case of a sole proprietorship concern, its owner as well as its business is considered as one entity, whereas in case of a company, its company and the directors are two separate legal entities. When a case is filed in case of a sole proprietorship concern, it is the proprietor's unlimited liability which comes in picture. Whereas in case of a company, once a case is filed on the company, it's only limited to the company and it does not go beyond or does not connect its directors. As for when the order is passed in any particular case against a sole proprietor, it can happen that in order to recover the money from the order which has been granted, there can be assets, personal assets of proprietor which will be attached. Whereas in case of a company, only the company's assets can be attached for recovering the amount which has been granted in the order. It will never go to the extent of personal assets of a director. In case of a sole proprietor, the profits are unlimited, the loss is unlimited, even the liabilities are unlimited. Whereas in case of a company, always the profits are unlimited, the liabilities are limited, and so are the losses limited only to the extent of company. It will never go to the extent of a personal loss for a director. That is the very reason that all the businesses should go for registration of a private limited company in order to limit their liabilities. Every business faces liabilities some or the other time. And if you want to see to it that your profits are unlimited and your liabilities still limited, you always have to check that you have registered your business and made your liability limited by registering with MCA as a private limited company or as a limited liability partnership firm, whichever option that is available for you. And yes, it is also possible to register a company with only one director. It is advised that if you are not already registered as a company, you soon go for the same. You can approach either me, that is my website is given down in the description of this video. You can either approach me through my website or you can approach any other company secretary. Please understand the company secretary are the equipped people to go with the registration processes. Thank you. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Do stay connected with me. Do stay in the access of the legal knowledge, which will be very helpful to you in your day-to-day life. Thank you.